Welcome back to the channel. So my last video I was telling you I need to clean up my carpet, my trunk carpet, and it turned out really well. I used a scrub brush and some degreaser, and I scrubbed everything and it came out nice and gray, thankfully, because I didn't want to have to buy more carpet, because today my 2S manufacturing Etchus Trunk Kit came in. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to clear out my trunk, take everything out, and I'm gonna put it in. And then once I put my trunk kit in, I'll be able to throw in my subwoofer, my W7. And then I'm gonna take all this stuff and I'm gonna go get it hooked up. Hopefully they can get me in within the next 2 weeks or so. That way I can go ahead and put my door panels and stuff back in. So yeah, so right now I'm about to go ahead and clear out my trunk, get everything out, and then I'll start putting the trunk kit in back in a minute. Well, here's the finished product. This literally took like 10 minutes to put in. It was really simple, quick, and easy. This is held on by a strap to the bottom bolt of your tail light. Both sides will be held on by that. I didn't have one in my bottom tail light over here, so I have to get a screw to put it in. But that'll latch, that holds it and keeps it in place. And then this one has a screw that goes back up in there, and you screw it in and it holds it. The holes are already there from the factory, so you don't have to drill anything. I didn't put the back panel in. I have that right there. I'm gonna leave that out in case the guys that's doing my amp install want to put it on there or whatever, and then I'll get them to put it in. But yeah, now I'm gonna put my sub box in here and I'll be ready to go. Like I said, my next step is taking it to the speaker shop and getting them to hook everything up for me. So yeah, next time you see it, I'll definitely have my music hooked up, and that way I can go ahead and finish my interior, my door panels, put my door panels in. I have my carpet to put in, as well as I have the seat covers on the way. I ordered them about a week ago. He said it was like a 4-week lead time, so I got about 3 more weeks before that comes in. Yeah, so we plugging along on this one. Yep. So, all right, until next time you see it, I'll be beating. So I decided to go ahead and put my sub in, and here's W7. Everything fits really good. I was hoping that I would be able to fit my spare in there, even though I wouldn't be able to get the spare out if I got a flat tire without moving this heavy speaker and speaker box. But I did want to keep it in there, especially since I had to cover and everything, and it makes it all look nice and clean. And I was just going for a nice and clean look. So yeah, here's my trunk. All right, this time I'm out.